Hello everyone. On behalf of MA in Indian Cuisine and Food Culture's first course, I'm here to talk about our first ice-breaking session and the first day of our orientation program. The day began with a visit to Santhe Mandi or Adi Udupi vegetable market, wherein we got the chance to see a wide variety of dried fish such as mackerels, anchovies, Indian crocker, nurse sharks and baby shrimps. Moving on, we even came across a lot of local produce of vegetables such as the mattu gulla, velladi godi, amaranth leaves, arachnids and bedgi chilies. Bedgi chilies are now very commonly used in Indian cuisine. Further on, we stopped at a local eatery in Udupi called Thodu Badavu, where we tasted authentic Udupi breakfast dishes like mude, buns, elu juice and filter coffee. And our ice-breaking session ended with us enjoying a beautiful view of the Malpe Beach and learning about the history and mythological beliefs of the place.